Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 1st, 2022. We're going to give you all a Disney stock breakout alert. Could we actually see the stock price in Disney break out from what's been going on over the last couple of months? I'm going to show you all what I think. Welcome, everyone, to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I give you all the news according to the charts. I drop price predictions so that we can see and anticipate where prices are going to go so that we can actually win in the market without being confused. So if you guys want to join me, welcome to those who clicked on this video for the first time. You guys actually did something great today because I'm going to give you all information that is not readily available anywhere else. I make sure that we are in position to win. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit me up, hit the like button, so that you can also subscribe here to my channel. All right, so let's keep it real. I did a video in Disney on June the 15th, right? Let me zoom in on this chart. And you guys can see that my idea was for Disney to go down. Check this out. Market in Disney, for the most part, did go down, but it only came all the way down to like $90. That was it. The market in Disney did not come all the way down to 80 as what I anticipated. But that may be not right now. Price could still go down to $80. But right now, you guys can see that the buyers currently want to take the market up in Disney, which could be cause for a breakout. What do you think? Should we see a breakout occur into the market at Disney, or should we not? Let me show you all what I think. So let me go ahead and get rid of this. I want to say congratulations to those who also predicted that the market in Disney was going to fall, was going to dip. But you all can see that charts don't lie. All right, so I want you all to see where the buyers came into the market in Disney, okay? Let me show you where the buyers came into the market in Disney. The buyers came into the market right here, okay? Right here. Since that time, July the 14th, Disney has been on a run up. It's been moving higher. So this tells us that currently buyers are controlling the stock price. And once we see this, if we're looking for price to go down and prices going up, then guess what? We're on the wrong side of the trade. It tells us this. The chart is letting us know you may want to come in and revise what your original idea was. So we're going to do that today. All right. So if you was able to grab that here on the low on the 14th, when Disney was trading around $90.25, then you guys can see that that is around about 4.3 cents profitability. That's about it. That's about it. If not, you were to get out on the last trade on Friday, you are down around 12.5%. Now, 12.5% may seems bad. It might seem terrible, but if the price in Disney is going to continue to go up, you want to minimize it. That's nothing compared to what price could turn out to be if you continue to hold on to a losing position, right? So let's go ahead and cut that. So now, let's talk about the market in Disney real quick. So since we're noticing that the price in Disney is trending up, right? We were in a downtrend. The market in Disney so far is trending higher. We need to come in and try to figure out where is restriction. Where's the sellers at then? The buyers took out the sellers at 100, right? Look at this. This is where the sellers were in intention and position to be. They broke this area of 100. Where do you think the next area lies in Disney to try to figure out where are the sellers? Where are they at? 108, 110? I would say around that area. That would be the first spot that I would be thinking that sellers are at. 108 to $110, right? So let's look at this on the weekly chart real quick in Disney. Because from a weekly perspective, the market here currently is giving us some bullishness, right? Now, from a weekly chart, it's kind of clean. You guys can see how the market tops were hitting at $110 in Disney back in May. The market could not break above $110. That literally is the first spot that we need to be prepared for in Disney, to not see price move higher. The buyers could say, all right, cool. We saw the market run up, since July. We saw the market run up 22%. I'm going to take my profitability and I'm going to move on. the buyers could leave once price tags around 110, and then price will come back down. So this will have to be our first price target. We have to be prepared for those type of things. So that is my first price target. Look at Disney on the 2 weeks. It looks feasible, right? This spread bar, this two weekly price bar right here is pretty wide. It's very decent. Is strong. It's giving us indication that the market wants to trend higher. That 110 looks feasible for us to reach. 3 weeks. Look at this one. Now, from a 3-weekly perspective, 110 may not even be an issue in the market in Disney. We may trend up to like 115 to 120. From a 3-weekly time frame, meaning that we got to get the market at least 3 weeks for this to play out, for it to go up, for it to hit 117 to 120. Okay. 5 weeks. Look at this on the 5-weekly chart. The market looks pretty good in Disney. It looks pretty healthy. I think we need to anticipate that the price in Disney is going to go up. What do you think? Because the chart's not lying. Look at that. From a monthly perspective, we saw during the month of June, price went down, but then the next month, price went up. Isn't that odd? It seems to me like the risk is back on, that the market is trying to continue to lift price up in Disney. So what we're going to do, since the market support came in around 90, that is where the basis of support is going to be. So as we create this price prediction, that is where we are going to look for the market not to fall below. Okay. First price targets will be around 110. Second one's going to be around like 115, 117. Third one's going to be around 120. Just that simple. So let's go ahead and put this on the chart. Our support is at 90. Our first price target is around 110. That's 3 3/4%. I understand it's not a lot, but I want you all to know that sometimes the buyers leave, and once they leave, the price will fall. That's the first spot that they could possibly leave and walk out and say, I'm good, I got 22%. Everyone else is on your own. You're on your own. But from a 3-weekly chart, I'm looking around like 115. That's 9% there. Okay. Second price target like 117, 120. We may fall a little bit short of 120 though. Okay, right there. So that is it. You guys can see what my expectations are. I'm going to continue to look for the market in Disney to trend higher. You guys heard my price targets. You guys see what my expectations are, okay? And that is it. Your turn. Let me know your thoughts. Give me your price prediction, your price target in the market in Disney. Where are we going to go? Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.